Hello guys, in this video, we're taking a deep look at ScalaHosting's Entry Cloud plan in 2025 and why it's become one of the best value options for WordPress and multi-site hosting. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the video description to instantly apply the best available deal for ScalaHosting and get the Entry Cloud plan at the lowest price today. ScalaHosting has been making waves in the hosting world for years, and the Entry Cloud plan is a perfect example of why. It's positioned as a hybrid between shared hosting and managed VPS, meaning you get the dedicated resources, performance, and security of a VPS, but with the simplicity and affordability of shared hosting. That combination is exactly why so many WordPress site owners, freelancers, and small agencies are jumping on this plan in 2025. At its core, the Entry Cloud plan comes with 2 dedicated CPU cores and 2 GB of RAM in an isolated environment. This isolation ensures better stability and speed compared to typical shared hosting, where your site's performance can be affected by other users on the same server. You also get a free dedicated IP, which not only helps with SEO and email deliverability, but also gives your online presence a more professional footprint. One of the biggest selling points here is scalability. With unlimited websites, unlimited databases, and no bandwidth limits, you can host multiple projects without worrying about hitting arbitrary caps. Whether you're running one big site or managing several small to medium ones for clients, the Entry Cloud plan gives you the flexibility to grow. Security is another area where ScalaHosting really stands out. You get S-Shield real-time protection, malware scanning, and blacklist monitoring right out of the box. On top of that, there's the WordPress security lock feature, which restricts file changes when enabled, making it harder for attackers to compromise your site. And the best part is that these features are built into the plan without requiring extra plugins or costly add-ons. Managing your hosting is made easier with ScalaHosting's SPanel, which is their in-house alternative to SPanel. It's included at no extra cost and is designed to give you the control and familiarity of SPanel without the licensing fees. Within SPanel, you'll also find SWordPress Manager, a dedicated tool for WordPress administration that lets you stage sites, clone them, manage themes and plugins, and even lock down your WordPress files for extra security. If you're used to SPanel, you'll find SPanel easy to navigate, and if you're new to hosting, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is. Performance-wise, the Entry Cloud plan delivers excellent results. Thanks to the use of OpenLiteSpeed and server-level caching, websites load quickly and score well in Core Web Vitals. In independent tests, propagation times have been fast, server response times have been low, and overall site performance has been strong, even under load. These optimizations aren't just marketing claims. They have a real impact on how your site feels to visitors and how search engines rank it. Now, it's worth mentioning the backup system. ScalaHosting includes daily automated backups, but by default, these overwrite the previous day's copy. If you need multi-day retention for compliance or peace of mind, you'll want to add their extended backup service. It's an extra cost, but for teams with critical data, it's a smart investment. Support quality is another highlight. The Entry Cloud plan comes with priority support, meaning your requests get pushed ahead in the queue. Reviewers generally find ScalaHosting's support team responsive and knowledgeable, especially once an issue is escalated to higher technical levels. While Level 1 chat can occasionally vary in speed, complex issues like staging bugs have been resolved quickly once escalated, sometimes even resulting in platform-wide fixes. In terms of pricing, the Entry Cloud plan is aggressively positioned. At the promotional multi-year rate, you can lock it in for as low as around $14.95 per month, which is impressive given the dedicated resources, free dedicated IP, unlimited websites, and premium security features included. Compared to similarly priced hosting from other providers, ScalaHosting often delivers faster performance thanks to newer CPUs and the OpenLiteSpeed stack. For agencies, this plan is particularly appealing. The unlimited websites, white label options, and sub-user access mean you can host client sites under one account, while keeping management simple. And if you ever outgrow the 2 vCPU and 2 GB RAM, ScalaHosting makes upgrading straightforward without having to migrate to a different platform. There are a few considerations to keep in mind. If your sites are very resource-heavy, like large e-commerce stores with thousands of uncached products, you might eventually need more resources than the Entry Cloud provides. And as mentioned, if you want multi-day backups, plan for the add-on cost. But for most WordPress sites, blogs, portfolios, and small to medium business websites, this plan offers more than enough performance and stability. The bottom line is that ScalaHosting's Entry Cloud plan hits a sweet spot. You get VPS-level benefits like guaranteed resources, better isolation, and advanced security without the complexity of managing a VPS from scratch. You also get the scalability and simplicity of shared hosting with unlimited sites and an easy-to-use control panel. Combine that with strong performance benchmarks and competitive pricing, and it's easy to see why this plan has become a favorite among site owners in 2025. If you're considering upgrading your hosting this year, the Entry Cloud plan is one of the best deals available right now. With the link in the description, you can claim ScalaHosting's lowest promotional price and start enjoying dedicated resources, a free dedicated IP, and OpenLiteSpeed optimized performance for less than many basic shared hosting plans. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more hosting reviews and tech tips. And don't forget to check out my other videos to find the perfect hosting solution for your needs.